Look at this. Fresh red apples. Growing in the middle of the desert. No rain. No forest. Just heat and sand. This should not exist. Apples don't grow in places like this. And yet they do. Before we break this down, if you like discovering things that should not exist, subscribe now. Because this is just the beginning. And trust me, this gets even crazier.
Now let's go back to the beginning. Day 1. The land is empty, dry, cracked. For over 1,000 years, nothing has grown here. No crops, no life, just heat and silence. Most people see a dead place, but these farmers saw something different. They saw potential and decided to build life where it should not exist. The transformation does not happen naturally. It is built step by step. Heavy machines arrive, breaking the silence of the desert. They dig deep trenches into the sand. Every line is measured, every movement controlled. Then comes the soil, black, engineered, rich, a mixture designed to hold life. It is poured into the desert, slowly, carefully. The orange sand begins to disappear under layers of dark soil. Then the system begins. Hidden pipes installed beneath the ground. Water flows, drop by drop, directly to the roots. Nothing is wasted. Everything is controlled. Sensors monitor everything: moisture, temperature, soil condition. If something changes, the system reacts instantly. Now the saplings arrive. Small apple trees, carefully planted. At first, nothing looks special, just small trees and sand. But below the surface, everything is already working. Water moves, roots expand, life begins. Time passes, the trees grow, slowly at first, then faster. Green leaves spread, branches form, rows begin to appear. The desert starts to change, not naturally, but structurally. Then something unusual happens. Flowers appear, white, delicate. Then fruit begins to form, small at first, green apples, then red, full apples, growing in the desert. This should not happen, but it does. Now harvest begins. Workers move carefully through the orchard. Each apple is picked by hand. One.